Great easy t-shirt mock-ups in Photoshop.
I've got a guy wearing a t-shirt. I'm going to quickly flip it back to Illustrator and copy and paste as a smart object my logo on the t-shirt and resize it just so it fits the size of the t-shirt and tilt it a bit until it looks relatively realistic and click OK. Next thing to do is click on the t-shirt layer and duplicate that, and then you want to save a new copy, so click new and give it a name. I'm just going to call it displace. Click OK. Then from there I'm going to add a few adjustment layers. So I'm going to add a levels adjustment layer. I'm going to tweak around the levels until I get like a really contrasty t-shirt, something that a bit like that. And then I'm going to add another black and white adjustment layer just from the adjustments panel at the bottom there, and that really increases the contrast. So once I'm happy with that, I'm just going to soften it a little bit because I don't want it to be too harsh. So I'm going to add a Gaussian blur, just maybe by 1 or 2 points. Save that and then put it somewhere where you know where it is, and then go back to your original document and then click on the logo layer and then click filter, distort, displace, and then change them values to 2. Click your displace layer and click open. Now your text has been displaced, and if you toggle the effect on and off, you can see now your text has the creases from the t-shirt below. If you like this effect, give it a like and follow for more.